What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a video of your most favorite book that's going to be going on in a few days. The Tiger and the Parrot. Let's get reading then. I'll show the pages to you. The tiger was excited for his birthday, but he was excited to see his friend too. Hooray! Hooray! Said Tiger. One day he went out for a walk. I am excited. I'm excited, said Tiger. When he walked to the park, he saw his friend! I don't really like being in the camera that much. I'll just slouch down here. I could lie down on the floor and then put the book up in the camera. I don't think I'll be able to, you guys will be able to see it though.
It's just one.
His friend! Lots of cool feathers! Squawk! He was amazed.
Scout job is ours.
When they met, they played for hours, lots of hours. When it was time to go, they said goodbye. They said as they walked home, goodbye, goodbye. Is it in the camera? Yeah, it is. The next day, they both went to the pool. The parrot used his wings to swim, and the tiger used his paws. They enjoyed the pool so much. Ow, I just scraped my foot. It didn't even hurt that much. No, I just said ow. When they left the pool, they went to the beach cove. Some people who are watching it might know some of these. Almost everyone will know what a pool is, and everyone will know what a park is. That's what the first one's meant to be. And then I've got someone going down, so you may not know.
Here we are,
Let's get going. I know this song. Me too. They love beach coves so much. Be careful, parrots. But something bad happened. Parrot fell off. But ow, my head is hurting. But soon he didn't feel the pain. Is your head hurting? A bit. Okay. I don't really like reading out books. I'm very nervous like this in like channels. Then one day they were old enough to go to school. Why are you crying? Because my head is hurting. I don't know why I can do these cool voices. They went to school and the parrot forgot all about it again. School was fun! They loved school so much that they couldn't say another word about it. I love it! Me too! But it was Friday, so the next day they can't go to it. But instead, they went to Big Fun. After that, they went to shop to get a treat because they were being good. I'll have this. I want this. Wait, forget that. Yeah. They played with their toys for lots of days. And They really like the toys. If you remember in the last video, my merch, then you actually see the tiger and the parrot book, which is going on, which is coming soon. Do you like your toys? Yes, said the children. Yes, we do. Alright, skip on them 2 pages. See, they have a bunk bed on this one. Soon they went to bed. Good night, good night. Kids, what do you want to do today? Just play. Okay, it's my birthday. That's what he realizes. When they woke up, they went to school, and then Tiggy took his kit to school. What we mentioned the name? What's the tiger's name? If you want to know, just please guess it, but don't comment down below it. Or comment down below it. His name was Tiggy. That's the tiger's name. You don't need to comment down below it no more, because you can't do that to my channel. I'm a kid. They did a lot of work, and they ate 1 slice of cake. When they went home, they played hide and seek. I found you, Tiggy and Parroty. What have we figured out the tiger's name? Tiggy! What's the parrot's name? Parroty!
Right, yes.
And then they sat down to have dinner. They sat down and what did they do? They did eat dinner. The end. It's about a parrot and a tiger. About a parrot. Right, let me read the blurb again. It's about a parrot and a tiger, but something bad happened. Find out what happened. We know what happened. Parrot fell off the snake. So, guys, please give it a like. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you liked it. And make sure that's 1,050 views. Please, give me a lot of views, please. And say goodbye to your old friend, Tiger Cat, until February.